Google AI Studio has been making waves as a free AI platform for developers, but is it really as good as it sounds? Today we're diving into what you can expect from this tool and whether it lives up to the hype. Google AI Studio is designed to help developers build and integrate AI models quickly. At its core, it provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to create, train, and deploy machine learning models without needing extensive coding knowledge. Right off the bat, the layout feels intuitive, which is a plus for those who might be new to AI development. The platform supports various programming languages and frameworks, making it versatile for different types of projects. However, while it boasts a variety of templates and pre-built models, some users might find the documentation lacking in depth. It's great for getting started, but if you're looking for advanced features, you might hit a wall pretty quickly. What stands out is the ability to collaborate with other developers in real time, which can enhance productivity. Still, there are some areas where clarity is missing, particularly around pricing for additional features and long-term usage. On the bright side, Google AI Studio is free, which is a huge draw for many developers. Its user-friendly interface and collaborative features make it accessible for both beginners and seasoned pros. However, some frustrations arise when you consider the limitations in advanced functionalities and the vague documentation that can leave users scratching their heads. Moreover, while it's great for small projects, those needing robust, enterprise-level capabilities might want to look elsewhere. Trust is another concern. As with many Google products, data privacy is something to consider, especially when working on sensitive projects. Overall, while it's a solid choice for new developers or small teams, those with more experience may find themselves wanting more from the platform. In conclusion, Google AI Studio is worth checking out if you're a developer looking to dip your toes into AI without spending a dime. However, if you're after more advanced features and robust support, you might want to explore other options. Keep in mind the potential privacy concerns and weigh your choices carefully.